Abby, your piano teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I imagine you're here because you want to play the piano confidently, skillfully, and amazingly. Well, you're in the right place. This video is designed for absolute beginners who have no experience with music or music theory. If you are watching this video because you want to improve your piano skills even further, there are lessons coming soon about chords. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss one of my lessons. Good news for you! I've added English and Chinese subtitles to this video. Click this gear of setting and select the language you would like to see the subtitles in. Are you ready? Let's get started! Almost every standard piano has 88 keys or notes, including 52 white keys on the lower side and 36 black keys on the upper side. The black keys alternate in groups of 2s and 3s, 2s and 3s. Every note on the piano has its own sound or pitch. The pitch gets higher as you move from left to right up the piano. To the left, we can produce a lower pitch or sound like this. And to the right, we can produce a higher pitch like this. And now we're gonna learn the Latin names of the piano notes. Music is just like any other language. The language that musicians speak to communicate with one another is music alphabet. The music alphabet is made up of only 7 letters: A, B, C, and you probably know the other 4 letters: D, E, F, and G. You're correct! For new piano students, your first task is to locate middle C. The name middle tells us that the C note is in the middle of the piano keyboard. So what you should do now is to position yourself at the center of the piano. Find the group of 2 black keys that is near the middle of the piano. So this is a group of 2 black keys. This is also a group of 2 black keys. And this group is in the middle of the keyboard. The C note is on the left side of this group of 2 black keys. So this is middle C. Do you follow me? Let's do it again. Use 2 fingers to find the group of 2 black notes nearest to the center of the keyboard. The one on the left side, right below the black key, is middle C. Now, you have learned one of the most important things that a pianist must know. Well done! After locating middle C, you will be able to name all the white keys on the keyboard. This is C. So what is the letter after C in the alphabet? It's D. The key comes next is D, F, G. What's the next one? Is it H? H is incorrect. As I told you, there are only 7 letters in the music alphabet, from A to G. So after G, it will go back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on. It keeps repeating. What about moving to the left on the piano? Let's locate the middle C again. If we go in the reverse direction, the key before C, this one, is B. And the white key to the left of B is A. So now you know how to label all the white keys. As long as you memorize the 7 letters from A to G, and always remember that there is no H in music, you will be able to label all the white keys. Now let me check your understanding. Could you tell me the name of this key? The answer is F. Did you guess the correct answer? The reason why I chose the key F to ask you was because another way to easily recognize the white keys is to know where F is. Remember we said that there is a set of 2 and 3 black keys. F is before a set of 3 black keys. So if we use 3 fingers to find any group of 3 black keys, the one on the left side, right below the black key, is F. Apart from knowing where C or middle C is, memorizing the location of F also helps you to find the other keys easily. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the black keys. In the comments below this video, could you let me know why do you want to learn music or to play the piano? Thanks so much for learning with me. I do hope this video can provide some basic piano knowledge for you. Please give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. I'll see you soon on Enjoy Learning with Abby. Bye!